Once upon a time, there was a very rich merchant. He had so many coins that they overflowed out of his pockets. He had 3 sons and 3 daughters whom he loved dearly. The daughters were very beautiful, but the youngest was by far the most striking. She was so pretty and, oh, so witty. Everyone in the village admired her. They fondly called her the Little Beauty. Her sisters did not like it. They said,
"It is such a pity that she is so pretty. We feel green with envy, also jealous and angry."
These 2 sisters were rude and crude. They thought that having lots of money made them better than others. Every day they attended balls, concerts, and parties. Beauty did not attend these events. Instead, she loved to read books and help others. Her sisters would laugh at her.
"Oh, Little Beauty, you just don't know a thing. You would never be able to marry a king. You may be beautiful, but you haven't a clue about how to be important and become richer too."
One day, everything changed. The merchant lost his fortune. The only thing that remained was a small house in the country. He brought his children there and asked them to work as hard as they could, so that they could feed themselves and make a living. Beauty and her brothers helped with the chores, but the 2 sisters did not help at all. One day, a special package was coming in the mail for the merchant, so he went to town. The 2 sisters demanded fancy clothes right away, while Beauty asked for nothing but a rose. Most disappointingly, the merchant was not able to get anything from the package, so he had to return empty-handed. On his way home, he got lost in the forest. Through the trees, he could see glimpses of bright lights. He walked towards the light, and a large palace stood before him. It was decorated with special lights. He entered the gates and found himself in the hall. He ate the delicious food that was laid out on the table, but there was nobody there. It was truly bizarre. He finally fell asleep in one of the beds. The merchant and his family moved to a farm. They had to get used to the tough life there.
The sun has scorched my skin, and the wind has roughened my hands. Our lovely silk dresses are unpacked, but there are no decent suitors in the village. True, we'll never find suitors worthy of us here. Beauty can find her match here, maybe a ploughman or a gardener. 2 sisters, will you help me prepare dinner? Our brothers will return from the field soon. We don't want to get covered with all the dirt. Why don't you prepare dinner by yourself? You're good at it. My sisters don't want to help me prepare dinner. Can you please help? We need some wood to start the fire. Let's make some soup. First, we'll pour water in the pot. Let's put the pot in the stove. Great! While the water is boiling, we'll get some vegetables. Right! This looks like an onion. This is a potato. This is a tomato.
I can smell the delicious soup, but I'm afraid I'll not get to taste it. I'm setting off in my ship to the city. What presents do you want, my dear girls?
Beautiful silk for me, Father. A crown studded with gems for me. Father, I don't want anything. Please return safely soon.
Why, dear, ask for something and I will get it for you.
Maybe a scarlet rose, if you find one on your way.
All right, my darling daughters, I'll get everything you want.